Jack, it's me.
Lam say Uniki. Snip. Save me. Oh, bugger.
Put your legs through, start to climb!
Hurry!
Stop!
Move!
Not good.
Roll the cage!
This way, lads! Please! Little Harry, please give it back!
Time to go.
Captain Jack Sparrow.
I need that compass of yours, Jack.
To find this.
Why is Jack...
An undead monkey.
You know I've David Jones, yes?
exactly did he put into the chest?
Your mind. Lock it away in a chest and hide the chest from the world. Let me see your hand.
The black spot. Black spot. Black spot.
David Jones cannot make fort. Cannot step on land but once every 10 years.
Dirt.
That's the Flying Dutchman.
If you do happen to get captured, just say Jack Sparrow sent you to settle his debt.